Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with SAP Business One Review My Usage Experience. SAP Business One Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and managing user experiences with SAP Business One software. It's aimed at SAP Business One users, IT administrators, and consultants who need to track, analyze, and improve user interactions within the system. Key features likely include user activity tracking, feedback mechanisms, and reporting dashboards to visualize user behavior and identify pain points. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. The service positions itself as a tool for enhancing user adoption and satisfaction with SAP Business One. It likely emphasizes ease of implementation and integration with existing SAP Business One systems. Pricing transparency is likely a key benefit, aiming for a straightforward cost structure. Availability is likely dependent on an existing SAP Business One license. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using SAP Business One Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was pretty straightforward. The initial setup involved a quick integration with our existing SAP Business One instance, which took less than an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays key metrics like user logins, common tasks performed, and areas where users might be encountering problems. I particularly like the heat map feature that visually highlights frequently accessed and neglected areas within the software. The system's performance was excellent, reports generated quickly, and the data visualizations were clear and easily understandable. I had a quick question about customizing a report and their support responded within 2 days via email, which was perfectly acceptable. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the ability to drill down into specific user actions to pinpoint exactly where problems occurred. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app for quick access to key metrics on the go. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for creating custom reports, but after a couple of tries, it was clear sailing. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with SAP Business One Review My Usage Experience. It provided valuable insights into user behavior and helped us identify areas for improvement in our SAP Business One implementation. That's my overview of SAP Business One Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.